everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get lovely bouncy curls with minimal effort and zero heat. I'm sure that you have all heard of the TikTok trend, curling your hair with a pair of socks. I found this video in my quarantine boredom and I wanted to see whether it would hold up on naturally curly hair because my hair is curly. As you can see, these are my results, so if you'd like to see how I got this, then just keep watching. First, you need to find a pair of long socks and part your hair into two. Straight down the middle at the back is absolutely fine. Once you've done that, tie one sock around each side and your hair is going to look like a low ponytail at this point. When you do this, split the remaining part of your hair into two. Now you need to wrap these parts around the dangly part of the sock. Make sure that when you wrap your hair, you are crossing each section of hair over one another at each side. It should look a little bit like a plait, and if it doesn't, you've gone wrong somewhere. Use a hair tie to tie the hair and the sock together at the end. This will make sure that the hair doesn't fall out prematurely and has enough time to set into the right position. Now you need to repeat the same for the other side. Anybody else just have like an ugly side of their face? Well, this is mine and I'm looking at it right now, it doesn't even look like me, so let's just ignore that. You want your end result to look something like that girl from the Polar Express. Now, because we aren't using any heat, we need to keep the socks in for quite a while to make sure that the hair really adopts that shape. I find the best way to do this is just to do it before I go to sleep and leave it in overnight. In the morning, carefully unravel your hair from the sock. It should look something like this. So just do that for both sides. Make sure that it doesn't get knotty, otherwise you're going to ruin the whole wave, it's going to ruin the whole hairstyle. Your waves are going to be clumped together a little bit, so just make sure that you separate the waves and it'll make your hair look thicker and fuller. Make sure you do this carefully and you don't want to end up with any tangles. My hair never holds any hairstyles, so don't mind me while I just drench my hair for a minute, and Crunch City, here we come! The girl on TikTok did have naturally straight hair, so her waves came out a bit more like a beach wave, whereas as you can see, mine have come out a little bit more curlier. I reckon that's because I do have naturally curly hair, so maybe my hair was just more willing to adjust. But all in all, I would say that this tutorial works. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks lovely. It's super easy to follow and it's super quick. So anything that saves me time in bed, I am so on board with. Thanks for watching everybody, and I will see you in the next video.